Here's another goodie box I got. I ordered from Blackstone. All this stuff I got, I ordered direct from Blackstone. Because honestly, Amazon was just ridiculous. Prices on Amazon were just double. So, check the company website before you buy it on Amazon. Normally that's not the case. Usually Amazon is cheaper. So I got these little liners. That's supposed to go where the grease catcher is. Got this grill spatula set. And I also got the carrying bag, which I'll put on later on. But I'll open up the set. And got my assistant here now. Say hello.
Hi.
She brought out the burgers. Now I'm gonna get it cooking. Gotta open up the camp kit. The unboxing of the camping cooking kit by Rolling Faith Mom here. Could leave those in there right now. I'm not gonna use those. Okay. More zip ties. Watch out for my eyes.
I'm a professional. I call Puerto Ricans.
Alright, so this is for cleaning later on.
Mm-hmm.
This is for cooking. Or disciplining the kids when they're bad. Good. So seasoning time. Heats up pretty fast, right?
Mm-hmm.
We don't even have it on high. And this little oil slide right into the little catch container.
Minimal assistance.
Minimal.
That's cool.
Like the grill?
Yeah, it's actually an easy cleanup. Because usually when you have a pot, all that stuff stays in here.
Yeah.
So now you have this and it actually cleans off. You just take off the oil. It's actually really nice.
Got the wife approval, so you know that's big.
I can make me rice and beans here.
That'll be nice.
Really nice.
And got the little stove on the side there.
Yeah.
Heat up
Un
stuff.
cafecito ahí.
Yeah. Coffee. You'll probably put what, 6 burgers maybe if you wanted to?
6 burgers.
4,
Actually,
5,
6. And then
6.
you can put a hot dog here. So it's actually really, it looks small, but you can fit a lot.
Put that burger there. So, yeah, so we can do
6.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. And hot dogs here.
You put 3 across, put that one there. Yeah, so 3. So you go 3 rows from 9, right?
Yep.
So about 9 burgers on there. Comfortably. Action. Now we got the buns going on there. Got the bun time. I think this thing is easier to clean than my old school barbecue grill. see if I get gas now. Got everything hooked up. Smell the gas. And I think I feel it.
Turn on.
Not yet.
Smell the gas.
Huh? So good and light. Get down. Definitely on now. Had to use the old trusty Bic lighter. They are cooking for the third time, right? On our grill. Master Chef is taking over.
Yeah, I do a better job.
So I'm not doing it right. Got the propane tank working. Cooking in the backyard today, not by the van. That's what I like about this grill. OTG, on the go. Just pack it up, move it wherever you want. Versatile. Hook it up to our RV van, or just hook it up to a 20-pound propane tank. And here's a little adapter that I got. Working well. Oh, this grill's powerful. It's only on 0. Still got a flame. And if you want, while the grill is still a little hot, a little warm, put some water, take some paper towels, and you just clean it. More of that oil. It's going in there. Catch pan. This is how it looks in the bag. Get out of the bag. Open it up. Very nice bag. Thick zippers. Nice carry strap. open up the bag. Storage pockets here. It's got a little strap, keep it in place. Let's see if it fits. And it fits in the bag pretty good. Not tight. It's pretty loose. Like there'd be room for probably my spatulas and the little scraping tool, the cleaning tool that they have. Once I wash them and put them away, and I may even have room to put one of the, maybe even put the propane hoses in here. So I put it this way, figuring that the handle is here and this handle is here. But yeah, there's plenty of room. Bag zippers are nice and thick. I said this grill in itself is heavy, so you see definitely a lot of room to put the hoses, propane hoses in. Tell me what you think. I put the shoulder strap on, and when I was doing that, I noticed that there's even zippers in the back of the bag to expand it, kind of like how a suitcase is. I don't know why you would need to expand it, but I guess if you had a lot of stuff, a lot of extra supplies in there, or they make this bag universal, probably for some of their other grills. But it's not a case. It's a nice bag, beautiful bag. The whole grill in itself is heavy, so I got the handle right here. I probably would maybe carry it like this with my hand just inside the handle, just so I don't break the bag. Right. Or I guess you can do cargo strap, whichever one works for you. I don't know if you can see it. It's portable. It's a suitcase, so it does its job. In my van, the 20C with the couch in the back, I could even store it like back here, depending where I'm traveling. Fits pretty good. And here's the final test. Pretty good.